Hey everybody, Mr. Ian here, and today we are going to be looking at this picture here to help us answer the following question. A third grade student is listening to a story being read by the teacher when they suddenly yell out in pain. The teacher asks the student what's wrong, and the student explains they snapped themselves with a rubber band. The student then asks the teacher, why does the snap hurt more when I pull it back more? How should the teacher respond to the student's question? Option 1. Because the more you pull the rubber band back, the less kinetic energy your arm has to stop the rubber band. Option 2. Because the more you pull the rubber band back, the more skin the rubber band will hit and make it hurt more. Option 3. The more you pull the rubber band back, the more potential energy it stores to have the ability to hit you harder when you let go. Take a second, look through your answers, select the right one, pause the video to help you make your selection, and unpause the video when you're ready to go over it. Okay, think you got the right answer? Let's take a look. So we know that when something has the ability to make things move or change in the future, it has potential energy, even if it's not moving now. So right here, as the person's holding it back really hard, really far, we know that we are building that amount of potential energy so that it can move in the future. So when we look at our options, option 1 doesn't really make sense. The more you pull the rubber band, the less kinetic energy your arm has. Our arm is not moving. It does not have any sort of kinetic energy, and it doesn't talk about the potential energy of the rubber band. Option 2, because the more you pull the rubber band back, the more skin the rubber band will hit and make it hurt. That doesn't make any sense. The amount of skin that it hits doesn't change just because of how far back you pull it. So that makes option 3 the best answer, because the more you pull the rubber band back, the more potential energy it stores to have the ability to hit you harder when you let go in that future sense. So that's the right answer. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck with the rest of your